single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hey y'all, it's Chelsea, aka HerTruestForm, coming to you with another video. This video will be some things that I didn't realize that I needed for my natural hair. The first thing that I wish that I knew from jump was length retention is so much easier when you don't have snags along the way. Not getting rid of knots, not getting rid of split ends, just let it go. Another thing is simply using a silk bonnet and pillowcase. I mean, I don't have a bonnet yet because I just started using the actual silk pillowcase. I was using a satin for years. I've used a satin pillowcase, and not saying that that doesn't work, just saying that I can tell the difference between when I'm using a satin and a silk pillowcase. The silk, you just kind of gliding across throughout the night. The satin, sometimes you'll hear a pop because something gets caught, because the silk is more tightly woven, so your hair doesn't have as much of a chance to penetrate, you know, between threads as it does with satin. And then tying up your hair, period. If you don't have a silk or satin pillowcase or whatever, you know, tie your hair down. What's wrong with tying your hair down? Like right now, I'm at a stage where I don't need to wear a bonnet or anything because my pillowcase is enough. But if you have enough hair, if you've taken the time to do your hair, why mess it up? Why allow good hard work to go to waste? Go ahead and tie your hair up. It helps you retain your length. I know the difference between tying up your hair and not. I've gotten lazy and not tied it up. My hair ended up being dry, which ends up making it brittle, which ends up helping it to snap, which ends up with you not retaining your length. And then you're going, well, why is my hair not growing well? Should have tied it up. Wow. Another one is paying attention to the ingredients from jump. Don't just get some and then fall in love with it and then find out, gosh, I shouldn't be using this, you know, or it's really not good for my hair, but I like it. Read the ingredients, know what you're looking at, know a drying alcohol in comparison to a moisturizing one. Know which butters and which creams and everything work for you. Like, you have to learn your hair. I wish somebody would have told me to push more protective styling. I would get bored and frustrated and try something that would mess me up, set me back, and you know, at the end of the day, I could have just went and got some braids, or I could have installed my own braids. I wish someone would have been like, yeah, you should just go get a protective style. I probably wouldn't have listened, but I'm telling you, I'm 10 years in the game. I know that when you get bored, you should not be playing in your hair. You shouldn't be thinking about your hair. You should go and get something done, or either put it away yourself and, you know, fight another day. Something else that I really wish that I would have explored a little more when my hair was longer was protein treatments. I've heard about them. I've heard they work wonders. And then I got heat damage and used it. And it really did help to reconstruct my hair, but it didn't reconstruct it to a point where I was willing to transition or keep my hair and try to continue to nourish it. Like, it wasn't to that point, but it did help. So I realized my hair likes protein, and I realized too, after studying a little bit, moisture balance and protein balance kind of go hand in hand. And if you have too much of either, you can really irritate your strand. So if you're moisturizing, that's all you're doing. That's all I was doing. So I think that I might have over moisturized my hair in some points in my hair journey too. In some of those times when I thought maybe my hair wasn't behaving the same, that might have been what I was doing wrong. So this is my advice to you. Find out how your hair reacts to protein and moisture and see what you need to change. If anything, I mean, you may be fine. I haven't done a protein treatment to my hair since I've big chopped again, but I can tell you that within this month, I'll probably be doing a protein treatment. I don't want to like overdo anything. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I really hope you learned something. And if you did, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I thank you for watching. See me later.